Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be cleaning up the seats in the Audi TT. So now we have the seats that we're going to be cleaning and restoring. As you can see, all cracked. I do have some stuff on the way that will be coming today that I can fill all these in with. You see the discoloration of the leather. All cracked and discoloration there. Now what I have bought to help with this is this. It is beeswax leather balsam. Condition it and restore it. It cleans, seals and protects. Yep, I can read. Right, I have tested a little bit on this area already and it's brought it up great compared to that and that. So what we're going to do now is do the rest. Just get your cloth, gently in circular motions, rub it in. See the colour coming back already. Right guys, what I'll do some of the seat and rest and all around here and I'll get back to you, okay? So I've done this bit and now I started on this. I've only done this bit, I haven't done that yet. Simply I've got some stuff coming that should fill in all these cracks so I can make it look a bit newer, because it does look estate. But I don't know whether you can see the difference, look. That's been done. That hasn't. And that is that. So there you go. Let's crack on with the rest of it. Okay, so that's that side and that side done. Now hopefully you can see the difference in that side because it sort of matches that. Whereas before that was a lot lighter. You can feel the difference in the leather. Stuff is brilliant.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
It goes a long way.
New look loading. Bing, 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 dong. New look loading. Bing, 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 dong.
Woohoo! Check this out.
Fantastic. And leave that for a couple of minutes to soak in, then buff it off.
Today's weather, sunny with passing shower of compliments. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Love it. Mwah. Love it. Love it.
There you have it. A nicely conditioned seat. Still yet to repair some of these discolorations and cracks, but that will be another video for you guys. So when we do that, I'll post another video. And the stuff's coming today, hopefully, off Amazon, so the video shouldn't be too long. Right, I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.